Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah, and it's 2020, you guys. Happy New Year. And I just want to let you guys know that I can feel like this year is gonna be the year. You know what I mean? Like all of everything that we've been working so hard for, everything that we've been planning for the past couple years, this is the year to make it happen, and we are going to make it happen, okay? So let's jump right into it. I wanted to do a eyebrow tutorial, kind of like an eyebrow 101, how to do like a natural eyebrow look. So, and I got a new eyebrow pencil, so I've been like obsessed with. So we're gonna jump right into it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I be filling in my eyebrows and the quickest and easiest way to fill in your eyebrows and have a very natural look. So just stay with me. So I ran out of my Benefit Cosmetic eyebrow pencil, and I was like, you know what, I wanted to look for something quick. So I was at work and I went to Walmart and I got this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. So this is the Brow Ultra Slim defining pencil. So it's a pretty standard eyebrow pencil. It comes with a spoolie on one end and the pencil on the other end, and it's pretty slim. It's pretty like defined. Let me show you guys the shade. You know, there you go. So this is in the shade black brown, and I didn't want to go completely black. Like I want to do a natural look, so I usually tend to go like more of a like one shade below black, which is the black brown. So let's jump right into it and see. I'm going to show you guys, and I really like this one. It's really affordable. Like I believe it's only, I think I paid $7.99 at Walmart, compared to the old any other brand, like, you know, Benefit, Fenty, Anastasia, which is like $20. I believe the cheapest one is starting at 16 and up, and this is only like half the price, only $7.99, so it's not really bad at all. And you know, it works just as good as the other ones, and it's a drugstore brand that I didn't think I was gonna like, because I have tried a brow pencil and it just didn't work really well. But this one now, y'all, this one can be compared to the Benefit Cosmetic. Okay, so let me jump into it and let me show you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. So first, I'm gonna use the spoolie to clean up. And first of all, don't mind my nails, okay? Like these were my Christmas nails and I'm in the process of taking it off, so don't mind me. Okay, so first we're gonna use the spoolie and we're just gonna brush our eyebrows out, and you know, just brush it out and follow our shade. So what I like to do is that I start from the middle, and then I just draw a really thin line underneath my eyebrows, nothing too deep. Just like literally right below my eyebrow. Personally, I don't like to, when I do a natural brow, I like to keep it really closest to my eyebrow shape. Like I don't want to extend it too far, just so it give you that very natural look. So literally just right underneath. And then I extend the tail just a tad bit, like right there. And then now I'm just gonna fill in the top right here, just a little bit. I'm just gonna draw this line at the tail right here and connect it to the bottom line. And then we're just gonna slowly brush it out. And then we're just gonna draw a really closest to your eyebrow as possible, another thin line. And brush it out. Blending is everything when you do your eyebrows, okay? You just gotta keep blending, okay? You don't want it to look too dark because we're doing a very natural look. So now we're just gonna fill it in a little bit. So right now we're just gonna shade in the middle. Okay, so now we're reaching the front of our eyebrows. So in the front of your eyebrows, you don't want to just shade it in a lot, because then it look really thick and you look crazy as hell. So what you do is you do like small strokes of hair going upward, just like that. And you just want to fill in the rest of your eyebrows again. So, you know, just very lightly. Alright guys, and that is basically how you fill in your eyebrows. You just want to, and if you gonna go over just a little bit. You can really clean it up with like a concealer, which I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. So I'm just gonna go off camera and fill in the rest of my eyebrows on this side, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and I'm gonna show you guys how to clean up your eyebrows just a tad bit and still keep it a very natural looking. So what I do is I use a more hydrating concealer just so that it doesn't matte out your face, because I do like a dewy look. Like, my skin looks so amazing today. Like, wow, I've been trying to keep up with my skincare and it's have been doing wonders. Like, my face just glowing. Anyway, so today I got the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. So this is retail for about $9 on ColourPop website, and this is in the shade, what shade is this? Dark, medium dark 120. So what I do is I just slap some on the back of my hand, and then I use my small concealer brush from Morphe. And what I do is I dip my brush right into the concealer. Let me show you guys. So what I do is I dip my brush right into my concealer just a little bit, tap some off if it's too much on there. And what I do is I go right underneath my eyebrow, but not by a lot, like just a tad bit. And first, you don't want to just slap it right onto super close to your eyebrow line. You want to go just a little bit underneath of it. So just in case you put too much concealer on there, it won't, like, you know, overflow into your eyebrow and mess up your eyebrow. Alright guys, and that is it. Like, that's basically all you do. You just dip a little bit and you go right underneath your eyebrows. Boom. And that's it. And if you want to do the top, you can. I personally don't like doing the top too much, but I will show you guys to do it anyway. I just don't like doing the top when I'm doing a very natural look, because I feel like that's just it does define your eyebrow a lot more when you if you're doing for like a on fleek eyebrow look, then yeah, you have to do the top and the bottom to make it look very sharp. But when I'm doing a very natural look, I don't like doing the top, just because it does give you that very defined and sharp look, and you don't want to do that. So, but I'm going to show you guys anyway, and you guys can decide if you guys want to use that step or not. But yeah, so the same thing applies for the top and the bottom. You don't want to go super close to the top line of your eyebrow. You want to start off just a little bit, just a tiny bit off of your eyebrow line, and then slowly blend it towards your eyebrow line. And that's basically it, you guys. Like, it's as simple as that, and you just blend it out a little bit more. And what I do is afterwards is I use my brush, my spoolie, and I kind of blend it out some more. And then I would go in with my little beauty sponge, and I just dab at that concealer line just so it blends out a little bit more effortlessly and it doesn't look too harsh, just in case I didn't get any harsh line out with my brush. And that's how you do it. Now I'm gonna do that aside and I will be back. All right, you guys, so this is it. That's all you need to know of how to fill in your eyebrows and get it snatched like that, okay? And you just graduated your eyebrow 101 class. If you're on a run, use the eyebrow pencil because it's much easier, much faster, and it's unlikely for you to really mess up. You know, if you just go lightly, you won't have a lot of mistakes on there, and it's quicker. You know, let me know how you guys like the video. If y'all want to see more tutorial, comment below, let me know. Give me a thumbs up on this video, share this video. Shit, by all means, it's 2020. We got to get our subscribers together, we got to get our followers together. So follow me on Instagram at SarahFX. I will leave that right there. All right, you guys, it was fun showing you guys how to do your eyebrows and get it snatched like mine. It is the Maybelline Ultra Slim eyebrow pencil, and I highly recommend this for any beginners because it is cheap. It is only $7.99, and you can get it at any Target, Walmart. I got it from Walmart for $7.99, and it's light. It's not super pigmented, so then, like, even if you are a little bit heavy-handed, you won't overdo it. You know what I mean? So that's the good thing about it. It's really good. I would compare this to my Benefit Cosmetic. I love my Benefit Cosmetic, but I've been using this and obsessing over this, and I like the price. Okay, let me know in the comment how you guys feel. Did you guys like the video or not? Thumbs up and all of that, and don't forget to subscribe. Like, come on, what is y'all doing? Okay, so bye. See you guys next time.